yesterday, while DraftKings was $43.73. Yesterday morning we said keep an eye out for $45 to be tested, $50 and $55. So before earnings, this is my personal prediction. I'm keeping an eye out for 45, 50, and 55. As you can see today, we are well above 55. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll up and show you guys that for the short term right now, we do have price targets, and I'm going to put it as a high risk just because earnings is coming out, right? Obviously, earnings could shoot the stock down or up. If it does drop down, I'm going to be adding more to my long-term portfolio. I think DraftKings is a great long-term pick. However, if you're just playing this for the short term, note that this is going to be high risk just because it's earnings. It could go up or down, right? But I have personal predictions of $50 next, $55, and potentially even $60. We saw how Hood stock went up to above 60. Keep an eye out for DraftKings as well, heading up towards $60. That's just a possibility. I do think 50 to about 55 is a realistic prediction. Keep an eye out for $60 for DraftKings, okay? If you are watching this before earnings, I highly recommend resharing this video. I'm going to be sharing the support levels and resistance levels and levels of DraftKings price to keep an eye out for, okay? So currently at $46.81. I'm pretty sure we break above $49 resistance here. And then we had this high here of $49.57 all the way from literally a year ago. March 2024, $49.57 was the high there. We're literally about to test above it again. Once we break above $49.57, I don't think we will ever see $42 again, okay? That's if earnings, we don't go down, right? Once we break above $49.57, I don't think we will ever see $41 for DraftKings ever again. So I think personally between $41 and $49 is one of the best dip opportunities for DraftKings right now. I don't think we will ever see $30 again for DraftKings. I think we bottomed out here, and we're having this bullish crossover on the weekly chart, stating that I think we should get this curve up to the all-time high, and the all-time high is $74.38. I highly think that DraftKings is a very bullish stock. Keep an eye out for $49 to about $60 during earnings. That's just my personal prediction. Of course, I could be wrong and we hit back down to $41, which personally, if we do go back down to 41, I'm going to be adding to my long-term portfolio. However, note that in the short-term chart, if we break above 49, I don't think we will see 41 again, okay? If you watch any of our previous videos, I called out DraftKings when it was $43. We also called it out back when it was $30 as well. I highly recommend doing your own due diligence, right? Don't want to get catching saying the wrong words, right? I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to buy, sell, or hold. I'm just saying personally, I really like the stock, and I think DraftKings is going to test all-time high. If you are in DraftKings, I highly recommend joining the Discord. It's free to join. There's over 32,000 members there sharing due diligence every day on DraftKings. Feel free to come in there, ask questions, answer questions, share due diligence, look at other people's articles. We talk about many other stocks as well, but DKNG, DraftKings, is going to be one of them. If you're interested in our live entries and exits, where we called DraftKings back when it was in 30s and low 40s, you can join our Patreon link. Patreon is 90% off, as it is our 5-year anniversary right now. 90% off, permanent discount. Feel free to give us a try for 1 month and then cancel it. Most people end up switching to annual anyways, and you save 10%. But try us out for a month if you would like our live entries and exits. There's over 20 analysts. Highly recommend joining the Discord or Patreon. Okay, if you don't want to pay, no worries. Join the Discord. It's free. Learn. Public resources are available. Ask questions when you want it, and I do go over technical analysis for everyone in the community, whether you're paying or not, okay? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video after earnings. I'm going to make another video after earnings for DraftKings. We'll make an update. Again, if there's a pullback, I'm adding to my long-term portfolio, but I'm predicting a move from 49 to about 60, okay? Keep an eye out for DraftKings upside movement in the after hours. We should start to see a lot of volatility on Friday. I think we should see a test between 49 and 60 for sure, okay? Just my opinion there. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments if you are in DraftKings, whether it's options or shares. I'm in shares personally. Full disclosure, I do have shares in DraftKings for my long-term portfolio.